Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be exploring types of sentences. Now, this is English and this is not really from your NCERT book, but it might be in your NCERT book, but I have not looked in your NCERT book. So this is all about types of sentences. Let's go. Alright, so the first type of sentence that we're going to be talking about is interrogative. Now, there are four types of sentence. There are four types of sentences. Alright, the four are interrogative, exclamatory, declarative, and imperative. Imperative. Now, they all are sentences, and we want to learn about them because we use them in daily life. So we want to know about them. So let's try to know about them. The first one is interrogative, as I said. Now, you might be like, if you have played Cluedo or any of those types of games, you might be like, interrogatory room. What? Well, that kind of relates together because interrogative and interrogatory are literally the same thing. They both ask questions. Like in a crime or anything like that, if you've watched a movie like that, they might be like, let's interrogate you. They're basically saying, let's question you about something. So interrogative sentences ask a question. Do play Cluedo, by the way. It's really, really good game. Anyways, let's get back to what we were doing. Asking a question. What can be some examples? One example can be, what did you do? The second one can be, who are you? So we use, as you can see, we use these types of sentences in daily life. They're nothing new. We already use them. We are just kind of naming them right now. Then the second one is exclamatory, which declares something with emotions. The first one is, you won. And the second one is, it was so hot. Now, as you can already see, they both have exclamation marks. Now, what are exclamation marks? Exclamation marks tell when something is very excitement, like something is very filled with emotion. It can be really, really sad. It can be really, really happy. Like you can say, "Oh no, we lost." All right, that can be exclamatory too. You can write, "Oh no." You always write that, right? While even just while chatting or something like that. You must have done that. So that's basically a exclamatory sentence. All right, let's go down. The fourth one is declarative sentences, which declare something like, you are shy. Okay, that's you're declaring that. You are saying that she is shy. You are saying that. You're not like, I think she's shy. Even that would be declarative. But if you say, are you shy? That's not declarative. That's interrogative because you're asking a question. So you are shy and she hates playing hockey. In both of them, I'm telling the other person that this is true. That is happening. So that we are declaring something. Now, as you can see, all of them are really related to what they actually mean. But now the fourth one, you might know what imperative means and all that, but it's kind of new to me. So imperative. Imperative is when you order or command something. So all of these were kind of in the respective mode. You are not like, go away and do that. We are doing some respective. Now in this one, this is not that respective. This can be sometimes respective, like please clean my whiteboard. But you can also say, clean my whiteboard. You're ordering them to do something. You're telling them to do something. You're commanding them to do something. So you are telling them to clean my whiteboard. The second one is, give him your pencil. Give him your pencil. I'm telling him to do it. I'm not asking, can you give me your pencil? I'm saying, give him your pencil. Alright? Sometimes it can end up in exclamation marks as well. Give him your pencil. If you're filled with hangover or something like that, you can be like, give him your pencil, exclamation mark. But that will still be imperative because you're still ordering something. Alright? In this one, it was so hot and you won. We're not ordering something, it has happened. We're just declaring it. We're just telling the other person that it happened. But in this one, we're telling them that to do that. Alright? You get the difference? If you like, you can think about more. sentences, do write down at least one sentence of each. That would be a good practice. And also, whenever you say something, try thinking about what type of sentence are you actually using. Because right now I was like, try thinking about what you're using. That's imperative because I'm commanding you to say, try thinking, meaning I want you to be thinking. So that's imperative. Just like that, you can do this. Alright? Hope you learned something new. Hope you learned something. Hope you understood everything, and I'll see you in the next video of this English playlist. Alright? Then, bye bye. See you in the next video.